Yeah, financing is certainly one of the topics that you have to, or you will be undoubtedly considering when you start dreaming or planning for your boat ownership. Obviously, if you're traveling around the world as an independent, live on board or circumnavigating type of lifestyle, then you're looking at also facing how you'll be financing your life in general. Ownership solutions, your lifestyle, the boat you use, and also the insurance are sort of intermingled in a way. Normally, when we advise our clients, we would say you should be using or at least having a good contact with your existing financing broker or a bank is a good way to start. The upside with the regional bank is that you have a long lasting relationship with them. They might be more accommodating towards giving you better interest rates. It might be that you can have a financing in some room in the mortgage you have in your house, or you have some equity somewhere else, and them knowing you, it's often the best way to go first. What you should be aware of with asking for financing around a regional bank that you've been working with is that they're normally not specialized in this segment, where they would like to allocate their collateral could be a little bit more expensive for you, or could be restricting for you. So it could be restrictive in the fact that you can't move around with the boat. The second way we advise our clients is to have a look at what other options that are on the market that are specialized specifically for clients looking for having financing. Working with a specialist bank is a really good way to see and benchmark as well what conditions they have. The way we're going about that with the specialized bank in the yachting industry is that we need to find out more about our clients. How you'll be using your boat, how you will be able to incrementally pay for the boat and so forth. There's a lot of questions that we have to look at, first of all, to be able to decide as well which avenue we will take in the specialized bank section. The good thing with them is that they're often in very good contact with every shipyard around there, and also they have a long-lasting and good relationship with brokers or dealerships like we have in our company. And the processes and procedures are quite smooth. Everything is set up, we know how to work, we know how to advise our clients, and we know how to also help clients to maybe pick one out of these with our advice, instead of us trying to sell, let's say, or push them towards one avenue. And then the third thing I would say is a broker, financing broker. And the broker would be able to find you a lender, and there will be more like a purchase advisor or something like that. Really advise you and find and tailor it and match it for you, and even be able to match also the insurance with the boat. But that's really, I would say, the last resort of the traditional ways of financing a boat, because of course a broker will also have a commission rate in between. It will be a little bit more costly, but it will be much more accommodating, and it will be much more easier for you than maybe the longer processes of being a new client for one of the banks and applying for a loan there. And then what we see today is, of course, the most popular way of owning a boat today, and I would say it's a quite dominating factor in among the yachting industry today, is to have a charter management of your boat.